Welcome to Technology Lab. Today we learn more about big data. In the last videos we learned about data, about big data, examples of big data, types of big data, data growth over the years, and characteristics of big data. Today we will learn about benefits of big data processing, big data technologies, big data challenges, traditional approach, and big data solution. Let us learn about benefits of big data processing. Benefits of big data processing. Using the information kept in the social network like Facebook, the marketing agencies are learning about the response for their campaigns, promotions, and other advertising mediums. Using the information in the social media like preferences and product perception of their consumers, product companies and retail organizations are planning their production. Using the data regarding the previous medical history of patient, hospitals are providing better and quick service. Let us learn about big data technologies. Big data technologies. Big data technologies are important in providing more accurate analysis, which may lead to more concrete decision making, resulting in greater operational efficiencies, cost reductions, and reduced risks for the business. To harness the power of big data, you would require an infrastructure that can manage and process huge volumes of structured and unstructured data in real time and can protect data privacy and security. There are various technologies in the market from different vendors including Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, etc. to handle big data. While looking into the technologies that handling big data, we examine the following two classes of technology: operational big data, analytical big data. Let us learn about operational big data. Operational big data. These include systems like MongoDB that provide operational capabilities for real-time interactive workload where data is primarily captured and stored. NoSQL big data systems are designed to take advantage of new cloud computing architectures that have emerged over the past decade to allow massive computations to be run inexpensively and efficiently. This makes operational big data workload much easier to manage, cheaper, and faster to implement. Some NoSQL systems can provide insights into pattern and trend based on real-time data with minimum coding and without the need for data sciences and additional infrastructure. Let us learn about analytical big data. Analytical big data. This includes systems like massively parallel processing, database system, and MapReduce that provides analytical capabilities for retrospective and complex analysis that may touch most or all of the data. MapReduce provides a new method of analyzing data that is complementary to the capabilities provided by SQL, and a system based on MapReduce that can scale up from single server to thousands of high and low-end machines. These two classes of technology are complementary and frequently deployed together. Let us learn about big data challenges. The major challenges associated with big data are as follows: capturing data, curation of data, storage of data, searching of data, sharing the data, transfer the data, analysis of data, and presentation of data. To fulfill the above challenges, organizations normally take the help of enterprise servers. Let us learn about traditional approach. Traditional approach. In this approach, an enterprise will have a computer to store and process big data. For storage purpose, the programmers will take the help of their choice of database vendors like as Oracle, IBM, etc. In this approach, the user interacts with the application, which in turn handles the part of data storage and analysis. Limitations. This approach works fine with those applications that process less voluminous data that can be accommodated by standard database servers, or up to the limit of the processor that is processing the data. But when it comes to dealing with huge amount of scalable data, it is a hectic task to process such data through a single database bottleneck. Let us learn about big data solution. Google solved this problem using an algorithm called MapReduce. This algorithm divides the tasks into small parts and assigns them to many computers and collects the results from them, which when integrated from the result dataset. Hope you learn about big data. We'll learn more about big data solutions like Hadoop, Hive, Spark, Impala, Kafka, and others in next videos. If you have any question about big data, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share this video. To get instant notification about our new videos, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.